So this has been something that's been on my mind for a while now. And I wanted to take like 1 to 2 minutes just to present this for anyone else who's interested out there. Um, I have been working on my off time, trying to think of ways that AI can help me in my day-to-day life. And one of those ways that I have found it to be incredibly helpful and useful is um, in the next few months, I'll be training for a triathlon. And although I've done it in the past, it was a long time ago. And I have experience, but I didn't want to put forth the time and the effort of creating a plan that's going to get me from the build that I was in as a sprint triathloner 15 years ago to an Olympic distance triathlon in good shape by the end of the end of August 2026. So I used a few AI tools, a few of the big name AI tools to help me create a workflow whereby the tool, the AI bot, if you will, was the coach. And he or she, it rather, created a workflow. It boils down to doing the prescribed exercises on the days that I'm supposed to. After that exercise is done, providing 2 minutes of feedback and health data from my Apple Watch and my iPhone into the AI tool, providing a little bit of feedback on how I feel. And once a week, I do a 15-minute reset, more like a look at the previous week, and based on the feedback, my health tracking and my perceived ability giving to the AI tool, it will construct the next week's workout based on all that feedback. So I'm going to try to share a separate slide here. See if I can do this. I also asked AI to create these slides too, and it's a little bit more marketing than I wanted, but it gives you an idea of what I'm attempting to do. Each day, I have the tool create a calendar event where I can see and then do the prescribed workout that this AI coach has provided me. Once that's done, like I had mentioned, I send the information to the AI tool, and it analyzes my feedback as well as the health data and the data from the treadmill or the data from the biking session I did or the swim session that I did. What I am finding from the AI coaching tool is that it does focus on consistency. It also focuses on something different than I expected, which is more of a zone-based heart rate workout than increasing effort or increasing distance as time goes on. I'm spending a lot of time in zone 1 as well as zone 2 workouts at the moment. What I'm understanding is the tool has told me that as I get closer to my workout, then we'll be adding longer exercises. We'll also be increasing heart rate variation, maybe some zones 3, but we haven't gotten to that stage yet. It's encouraging me to focus on the day-to-day. As I had mentioned, usually on Saturday, I'll take notes from the previous week, summarize everything, and then give it to the tool. And then it spits back some focused notes and sets me up for the following week. In the end, it's up to me to continue to provide the input so that the AI coach can provide the next week's output. One thing I am finding very useful is, I didn't expect it, but when I tell the AI tool about certain limits I hit or fatigue or feelings like injury risk in my Achilles or hip pains, it will help me figure out what's going on and whether it should be a key thing to keep an eye on or scale back some of the training earlier in my, well, take a step back. Earlier in my training, I did have some pain in my lower Achilles, and it actually backed me off some of the training that I did that week, and it actually helped a lot. So, as I had mentioned, there's a lot more to this, but I thought it would be pretty fun to share this with the world. This should not be construed in any way as any type of advice or information that you should be using. It's just my experience, and you should always consult a physician, someone who has your health info, if you're going to take up any kind of significant task like this. Thank you.